At the end of your case, our job isn't done when we have a settlement agreement. There's other things that are important to remember. It's important to understand and appreciate the concept of subrogation. Healthcare providers and car insurance companies who pay benefits related to your treatment are entitled to be reimbursed for the benefits that they pay out if you've recovered from a third party. So what does that mean? If you utilize your healthcare insurance and they pay out $10,000 worth of coverage to your healthcare providers, they want to be reimbursed for that $10,000 because you're getting reimbursed for that $10,000. What we do is we work with them to reduce that as much as possible, whether that's a reduction based on costs, whether that's a reduction based under the law, or a variety of different things. Our job isn't done just when you reach a settlement. We utilize many different resources to make sure you get the biggest recovery possible.